So today the procedure is a second hair transplant done by me and my team. So what we're going to do is you want more density. So we have not done at the mid-scalp and the crown area during the first hair transplant because we focus on the front area, which is very nice, no issue. So now you have come back for a second hair restoration that is doing the mid-scalp and the crown area. So if we look at it, you also have a very I should say a conservative donor area too. So it's going to be quite a conservative treatment because we want to save the donor in case you need another hair transplant. Also, the way that I'm going to harvest, I will harvest in such a way that nobody will notice that you've done a second hair restoration. So if we just look up, so filling up the mid-scalp, which you didn't do in the first hair restoration, and you are not quite happy with the crown area, which doctor is going to fill up to. So second hair restoration is done by me and my team again. I'd like to thank you so much for allowing me and my team to do a second hair restoration with you. And the reason why you're coming to do a second hair restoration, number one, you're very happy with the results of the first hair restoration done by me and my team, and you're coming in to fill up the areas that you did not do during the first hair restoration. Alright, thank you so much.